Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to calculate percentages of total in Excel. Whether you are working on budgets, data analysis or just crunching some numbers, this simple but powerful technique will save you tons of time. So let's start the video. First, open Microsoft Excel. Here is our spreadsheet with quarterly sales data, a column for quarter number and another for sales figure. Before we calculate the percentage, we need to find the total sales. For this, we are going to use the sum function. So type the following formula in the cell where you want the total sales to appear, is equal to sum. Then select the range, it's B2 to B9. Close the bracket and press enter. Now we have our total sales. Calculating the percentage is straightforward. Just divide the sales for each quarter by the total sales and then multiply it by 100. Now click on the cell where you want the percentage to appear. It's C2. Now type is equal to. Here B2 is the sales for the first quarter in our list and B11 is the cell with the total sales. The dollar signs keep the total sales reference fixed when we drag the formula down to the other rows. Now press enter. Select the cell and click on Home tab and then click on % style button in the number group. Now simply drag the formula down to apply it to all cells. So that's how to calculate percentages of total in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.